Let me see you use the knife. How do we hold it?
Like this?
Like this. Good job. Oh, let's put our whole hand on it. Right here in the middle. You don't have to use two hands. Just use that hand or that hand. Pick one. There you go. Okay, let's practice cutting our Play-Doh. Push, 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 push. Oh, good job. You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Go. Let's put that there and that there. Oh, you're doing such a good job. Push, 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 push. Oh, it's such a good job. This works so good, huh? You ready? Say go.
Go.
Push, 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 push. All right. Again?
Yeah.
Push, 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 push. Oh, look at those.
Push, push, push.
Okay, you gonna do it by yourself?
No, I can't.
Oh, good job.
I can't.
Here, do this piece right here. This little piece right there. You ready?
No. I
Good job.
can't.